99% of AI side hustles are complete BS, but these three actually make money in 2026. Everyone's selling you easy AI money, but most of it doesn't work. So I tested a bunch. Here's what actually pays. Faceless YouTube channels are still printing money. You use AI like ChatGPT to write scripts, AI voiceovers, stock clips, and you never show your face. Monetize with ads, affiliates, or your own products. It's scalable and passive. This one is slept on. Local businesses need content. Plumbers, roofers, gyms. You create simple AI powered video ads and charge $500 to $2,000 a month. Use tools like Claude to make scripts sound human, and they'll keep paying you every month. This is the easiest to start today. Create a simple 30-day guide using AI, weight loss, making money, survival, AI tools, whatever people are searching. Sell it for $9 at $20. No inventory, no shipping, pure margin. Sell it over and over again. Here's the truth though, it's not about the tool. It's about execution. The people making money, they're posting daily and moving fast. If you want my exact step-by-step system for all three, comment AI and I'll send it. Stop wasting time and start moving fast. I'll see you in the DMs.